boy. Yes, yes. Hi, I'm Robert, and this is Ruger. Together, he and I spend a lot of time every year riding, camping, and packing in backcountry wilderness areas. And sharing those adventures with you is what we love. Helping you get out onto the trail, well, that's what we do. For me, navigation is one of the most important trail riding skills. And I also think it's one of the most overlooked by us horse folk. We worry about how to be our mule's best friend, what to take along on a ride, and a million other things. But navigation gets forgotten. If you think your horse will always get you back, go ahead and click next. But if you want to make sure you get back to camp in time for dinner, stick around. I'm going to show you a tool that I use to create my own trail maps. It's easy, it's free, which is great, and it works really well. First, a special shout out to everyone that has subscribed and follows our adventures. Thank you for taking part of your day to be here with us. If you're not yet part of that community, please click that little red subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss an episode. Let's put Ruger away for a moment and let's talk about staying found. When I'm on the trail, I generally carry at least two different types of navigation tools with me. The first, and my primary, is a good old-fashioned paper map. Batteries not required. This is the gold standard, period. The second is my cell phone. I carry it with me all the time anyway, and with the right app, it makes a wonderful backup to my paper map. The trick, of course, is getting the paper map into the cell phone. It's hard to use a map if you can't find one, and finding worthwhile trail maps, it can be a real hassle. Here's an example. This is what passes for a trail map at a local state park. I like the park, it's a great place, but this is lousy. Can you see where the hills are? What about steep ravines? Heck, it's even missing most of the trails. Could you really use this to navigate here if you didn't know the area? For important topography information, USGS maps have you covered, but there's no trail data at all. Again, this isn't something you'd want to be stuck with in an emergency. Fortunately, there's a solution to this problem. I've been using an online resource for the past few years, and it's become a real game changer for my adventures. CalTopo is an online tool that allows you to make custom topographic maps of any place in the U.S. It's become my go-to tool for planning trips, especially backcountry travel. Here's a simple map that I built in just a few minutes with CalTopo. To create the map, all I did was browse through the base layer sources until I found the best one for my situation. The interface is very easy to use and very intuitive. After I created the map, I just saved it as a PDF file. As soon as I've created a PDF map in CalTopo, I not only send it to the printer, but also to my phone while I still have Wi-Fi coverage. Once the map is on the phone, I use the Avenza Map app to open it, and then we're ready to hit the trails. For me, the best thing about the Avenza app is that it works without cell phone coverage. Even if you're an experienced outdoorsman and you don't get lost, you can help your friends on your next trail ride by creating a map like this, sending it to them so that they can use it. It'll give them a lot more confidence, and you won't have to worry about them. Ruger and I both hope that this was helpful and gives you a new tool to help you stay found. For more information on trail riding and horse camping, visit trailmeister.com, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Happy trails! That's a good boy. Oh yes, he's a good boy. Oh, he scratched the